Meet the BizControl app, which keeps every part of your business organized. In this video, we will learn how to add a manager and staff in the Property Dealer app and grant them the correct permissions. Part 1. Manager Permission. Step 1. Add Manager. First, go to Add Staff. Now, fill in the manager's details: username, WhatsApp number, email ID, address. After this, select Manager in User type. Then, select the relevant branch, and if the salary is fixed, enter the basic monthly salary. Step 2. PF and ESI. Select the PF and ESI options as per requirement. If not applicable, set it to none. Step 3. Attendance location. Now, decide from where the manager can mark their attendance. From office, can mark attendance only from the office. From anywhere, can mark attendance from anywhere, whether it is their own office or the field. Step 4. Document upload. Upload the necessary documents for the manager: Aadhaar card, PAN card, CV/resume, other necessary documents. Step 5. Manager permissions. Now, decide which permissions need to be granted to the manager. HRM permissions. Today's team attendance. With this permission, the manager can update the team attendance for the current date only. Any day team attendance. With this permission, the manager can update the team attendance for today as well as any previous date. Important: only one permission, either today's team attendance or any day team attendance, can be active at a time. Note: these attendance-related permissions are exclusively for the manager, not for regular staff. CRM permissions. Grant CRM permissions to the manager as needed. Graph analysis team can view the performance and graphs of the entire team. Buyer/seller team can view and manage the buyer and seller data of the team. Network team can view the team's network data. Team task assign and monitor can assign tasks to the team and monitor their progress. Property booking permissions. View property price. The manager can view the property price. For this, an OTP will be sent to the admin's registered mobile number. Property book by OTP. The manager can book a property, but the OTP will always be sent to the admin. View property only. The manager can only view the property details. They will not be allowed to view the price or book the property. Part 2. Staff permission. Now, let's see how to add regular staff. Step 1. Add staff. Go to Add Staff and fill in the details: username, WhatsApp number, email ID, address. Now, select Staff in User type. Select the branch and enter the salary as required. Step 2. PF and ESI. Select PF and ESI as per requirement. If not applicable, set it to none. Step 3. Attendance location. From office. Can mark attendance only from the office. From anywhere. Can mark attendance from anywhere. Note: HRM permissions like today's team attendance and any day team attendance are not available for staff. Step 4. Document upload. Upload the staff's documents: Aadhaar card, PAN card, resume/CV, other necessary documents. Step 5. Staff permissions. CRM permissions. If no additional CRM permission is granted to the staff, they will only be able to perform their own CRM tasks. We recommend granting CRM permissions to regular staff only when necessary. If required, you can grant the following permissions: Graph analysis team, buyer/seller team, network team, Team task, assign and monitor. Property booking permissions. View property price. Staff can view the property price, but the OTP will always be sent to the admin. Property book by OTP. Staff can book a property, but the OTP for booking will only be received on the admin's registered mobile number. View property only. With this permission, staff can only view property details. They will not have the authority to view the price or book a property. Final step. After selecting all details and necessary permissions, click on the Add Staff button. Now, your manager or staff will be added successfully and will only receive the permissions you selected. Conclusion. Granting the correct permissions is crucial for both your company's data and security. Therefore, assign permissions to each manager and staff strictly according to their role. This will ensure your business operates in a more secure, organized, and professional manner. BizControl. Complete control of your business now in your hands.